Ladies and gentlemen, I hope you're having a fantastic day. The lights have arrived, nicely packaged. I just took it out of the box. You got your instruction manual right here. Give that a read over. And let's get these out of the wrapping and take a look. We do have our mounting hardware right there with drywall screws and hooks if you need that, or just straight screws to go into the wood. I'll be putting these on the exterior of my house, of course, or on my fence. I'm not exactly sure yet, but it is nice that they already do come with LED lights on them as well. So we have a nice large, but not too large. I do have large hands, but the solar panel right here, as you can see. And then we also have our brackets right here as well. So what that does is that screws on like this. So you can do it a couple different options. You can have it like that if you want, or you could flip it around, and that's majority of the time is the way you're supposed to do it right there. You have your thumb screws right here that screw into this area here. And then what you would do is you would do that after, obviously, you put this up on the wall or wherever you're going to have it. And then you put your thumb screw in the side so that there's no intrusion to your screwdriver getting through. You still could, but just it's going to be easier if you do it that way. So flipping it around, we have our on and off button right here. And all you do is you click that over to the right for on. I'm going to keep it off until I'm outside. And then they will start charging. A very nice dark solar panel as well. And then it is open right here for easy access right there. Very sharp looking as well. They are, of course, both the same. Let's install them.
All right, before we do look at a night shot, let's go ahead and look at a daytime shot and how I have them mounted right here. So I'm on a little post, as you can see here, a fence post. So it is rounded, but the fence post is rounded enough to the degree where the screws are able to go in, even though it is supposed to be completely flat. It's just because of the roundness of it. So it drops down, like as you can see right here. You can do it the other way if you really, really want to, but I wanted the mount up above a little bit like this and then dropping down. Solar panel, forgive the wind, solar panel is up, and these actually have been up for a few weeks now with the cage right here, as we can see, putting off beautiful power, and then it'll switch over automatically when it does ambient light out, dusk, I guess you could call it, and we'll take a look at that in just a second. Now I actually can see these lights. My room is all the way over here, and I can see these lights. You're not going to blind anybody. You're not going to stay up at night, but I can see them, and that is at least a few football fields away right there from my room. So I actually can see these if this is on a guest house, etc., or like I have it on my fence gate area here, as we can see on the other post there. They work really well. Now let's take a look at a nighttime shot. All right, let's take a closer look at the lights here, illuminated, as you can see here. It's not quite dark yet, a little bit of ambient light there. We'll click on the light and take a look at the solar panel here. And again, once light hits the solar panel, it does turn off, and then you cut out the light and then it turns on beautifully. A very nice glow, as we can see with that beautiful little LED Edison bulb there, giving off a nice illumination. Not over powerful, but not too little as well. I have other ones around the corner here. Here's another shot here of not this one, but this one here, as we can see coming up to it here. The look of it, and that's looking really, really sharp. I definitely like that. And this is after a full day of charging. We're overall looking absolutely fantastic. Well, folks, once again, top link in the description box below will be these exact same solar lights where you guys can pick them up yourselves. But just like all my videos, please don't go into debt for anything I do make a video about. If you do have the cash and it does intrigue you, please go ahead and purchase on away. If you wouldn't mind hitting that thumbs up button on the way out, helps the channel. Also subscribe if you want to see more videos like this, DIY projects, van life builds, more tech reviews, and more. Once again, top link in the description box below. We will see you on the next video.